Are you ready to level up your skills and stand out in the surveying industry? Our Thermal Imaging Surveyor online training course is designed for professionals who want to offer more advanced inspections, add real value to their services, and increase their earning potential. This course is 100% online, fully self-paced and accessible from anywhere. You'll learn how to carry out thermal imaging surveys to detect hidden issues like heat loss, damp, poor insulation and moisture, all with clear guidance from industry experts. When you complete the course, you'll receive a certificate of completion, showing clients and employers that you have real practical knowledge in thermal imaging for buildings and property care. This is ideal for surveyors, energy assessors, property inspectors, builders and tradespeople who want to expand their service offering. You don't need prior experience, just a willingness to learn and improve. If you're serious about growing your skills and staying ahead in the industry, enroll today and get started instantly. Scroll down to sign up and begin your training right away.